Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Very happy 2025. This is my first ever long format video of this year. So I wish everybody a very happy new year, prosperous year, and I wish everybody of you get a lot of good luck this year. So today I am back with a fragrance review. So a few months back I did review a body mist from Nykaa Wanderlust range and you guys loved it. I got a lot of positive feedback on that video. So what I did is I bought all the new variants that is released by Nykaa Wanderlust and I'm going to review it so that you guys know which one you need to buy. So here are all the new released variants of Nykaa Wanderlust body mist. There are totally 5 of them and I bought everything on MRP. There was no discount on these products because these are newly released, I think in the month of November, and MRP is 550 rupees. Only one is 550, remaining are 599 rupees. The variants are number 1, Dreaming of Paris, Tropical Thai Sunset, Jaipur Royal Pink, Hawaiian Sea Breeze, and the last one is Swiss Vanilla. These are all the new ones, and I also bought one more variant which was already there earlier. I mean, it was there in the earlier release. This is Sicilian Sweet Pea. I was not having this variant in my collection, so I bought it because of the fact that I love this body mist. These are worth every penny that you spent on it because of the longevity, because of the performance, because of the packaging, everything. So let's get started with the review. First point that I would like to mention about the new variants is that the new variants, all of them are both body and hair mist. So you can apply this on your hair as well as on the body. And one thing that I've noticed about the new variants, something which disappoints me, is that these are not as long lasting as the previous ones. Maybe because these are applicable to the hair, they have reduced the density, or they have made it a little bit more diluted. Because of that fact, maybe these are not long lasting. But this is something that I did not like about the new variants. I used to love the Nykaa Wanderlust body mist because of the fact that these are affordable and these are super long lasting. But as I said, the new released variants are not as long lasting as the previous ones. Nevertheless, when it comes to the quality, these are amazing products. I love Nykaa as a brand. This smells very luxurious, all of them, and very, you can say, rich. It will not make you feel cheap at all. Second point is that I have used these products on hair. I am happy with the fact that these products won't make your hair clumsy and sticky, because I have tried a lot of other hair perfumes and I did not like them, but these ones, yeah, it does the job well. Please keep watching till the end of the video, because at the end I'm going to show you the entire collection of my Nykaa Wanderlust body mists, and I'm going to rank the body mists according to my favorites. Okay, so starting with number 1 variant, that is the Hawaiian Sea Breeze. This is what it looks like. The packaging goes very well with the name. It is looking aquatic, and this is definitely aquatic fragrance as well. Here you will get notes of coconut, citrusy, lemon, fruits, and definitely aqua. Hawaiian Sea Breeze is a very fresh, energetic, aquatic fragrance, something that you like to wear in the beginning of the day. You just come out of the shower and you can apply this. This will make you smell very fresh, and this is kind of a fragrance that you like to wear more in the morning, or for example, you're going to gym, you can apply this, or if you're coming out of the gym, you can apply this. And this stays for about 3.5 hours on me, and on the hairs also I think it stays about 3 hours. On clothes, definitely this stays longer. Any perfume in that matter stays longer on the clothes than on body and hair, and I like it. but I have a lot of other aquatic fragrances in my collection, and this is not something which is wow. This is okayish kind of a smell. I didn't regret buying it, but I am not very much fond of it. So this is Hawaiian Sea Breeze. If you are looking for new aquatic fragrance in your collection or gym fragrances in your collection, you can go ahead and try this. Next variant is Tropical Thai Sunset, and this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging is very cute. I love the floral designs that is going on in the packaging, and this has notes of mango, peony and floral, and also some kind of citrus lemon notes. And this is something that you love to wear during the summer holidays, during the summer days. If you're going to the beach, you can wear this. It's more of a warm summer, fruity and citrusy fragrance, good for the daytime and also for the sunset time. This stays about for 3 hours on me. After that, you need reapplication, and on the hairs it stays about 2.5 to 2 hours. Personally talking, I like this fragrance a lot because I do not have anything which is similar to this particular fragrance, that is the Tropical Thai Sunset. I am looking forward to try this a lot during the upcoming summer days, and this is the kind of fragrance that you can go to office or college with it, and something that you're doing in the daytime, you can always wear this fragrance. And if you do not have summer fragrances, then please try this out. The next variant is called as Dreaming of Paris. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is one of the first variant that I bought out of the new ones. This has notes of champagne and berries. So when I apply it first, that is on the opening, I get strong notes of plum and berries. I would say fruity notes, but on the dry down, that is after 30 minutes or 1 hour, you will get a little bit of floral fragrance coming from this as well. I kind of have mixed feelings about this. I'm not very much fond of this fragrance, but I don't hate it also. This is a kind of fragrance that I will not look out for a lot. But yeah, I don't mind using this because of the fact that I have bought it. I will use it, but given a chance, if I would have smelt it before purchasing, I might not have bought it. Okay, because I was thinking that it will smell on the classier side, but it is not like that. It is a little confusing kind of fragrance, I would say. So this is Dreaming of Paris, and it also stays about 2.5 3 hours on my body. Same on my hair. Clothes are definitely longer. Next one is called as Swiss Vanilla. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is my most favorite out of all the new released variants. I love this particular fragrance. I am somebody who loves warm vanilla fragrances, especially because it is winter now, and I love to smell like vanilla cupcakes, and this is a very, very beautiful vanilla fragrance. Very beautiful, very cozy kind of a fragrance, different from a lot of other vanilla fragrances that I have. It is 100% vanilla fragrance, and something which is very soft, cozy, warm, and let me smell it once more. Yeah, and also very simple, sweet vanilla, sober, warm, wintry fragrance. If you are somebody who loves wearing vanilla fragrances, then you should definitely try this one, Swiss Vanilla. On the packaging, it is saying that it contains notes of vanilla and cedarwood. I do not know what is cedarwood, but yeah, it is 100% vanilla fragrance, and not very similar to the ones by Bath and Body Works or any other vanilla fragrance that matter. It's very different, something which you should have in your collection if you're a vanilla fragrance lover. And it is more of a winter fragrance than summer, I would say, and something that you can wear in the house also. If you're going for house parties or just some guest is coming in and you want to smell good, you can throw this on yourself. And yeah, this is, as I said, the most beautiful one out of all the ones that I have tried. Highly recommended for especially people who loves vanilla and simple, not very complicated, and soft, cozy fragrances. So the last variant from the new launches is called as Jaipur Royal Pink. This is what the packaging looks like. It is a little similar to Dreaming of Paris. The color is a bit different, but sometimes I get confused between Jaipur Royal Pink and Dreaming of Paris. Now this one in the opening has fruity floral fragrances, and when it dries down you'll get a musk. I like using this particular variant a lot. This is something that you can wear throughout the day, morning, after your office hours, we're going to party, you can definitely wear this. This has mixed notes of floral and fruitiness and very feminine, not very strong, not very light. You can say it is mild and yeah, sweet, girly, feminine, everyday kind of a war fragrance. Nothing very special, not appropriate for very special occasions or weddings, something like that, but something which you can wear daily. You'll not have to think much before wearing this, and simple fragrance. Okay, one thing that I was really expecting from Nykaa is to launch something which is very sexy and a variant that is very classy and you know, sophisticated, classy fragrance. But in this range, I would say that, I mean, in the body mist, Nykaa hasn't launched anything which is super sexy or date type or something which is very classy and mature. I miss that actually. Moving on to the last variants of today's video. This is not from the new release, this is from the earlier release. It's called as Sicilian Sweet Pea. I got a request to review this in my last video, but that time I was not having this particular variant, so I bought it. This is very similar to my all-time favorite variant from Nykaa Wanderlust, that is French Lavender. You can see how much I have used this. Sicilian Sweet Pea is for about 70% similar to lavender, but it has slight bit different notes than lavender. That is the pea, the Sicilian pea. Overall, I would say that it is a very fresh, clean, energetic fragrance, not aquatic, not at all like Hawaiian breeze, Hawaiian sea breeze, but different kind of a fresh fragrance, something you can get up in the morning and wear. And this again stays really long because this is not a hair mist, it's only a body mist. Like the previous variants, it lasts at least for 5 hours on me. I have not used this much, as you can see, because if given a both, I will definitely go for lavender. It's my absolute favorite out of all the variants that I own. But yeah, this is something that you can try if you do not have lavender. If you have lavender, no need to buy this. Here is my entire collection of Nykaa Wanderlust body mists. I have 10 of this and I've arranged it according to my favorites. My favorite has to be French Lavender. I mentioned it so many times. Yes, this is my absolute favorite. Then my next favorite is Mediterranean Sea Salt. Then the new variant, Swiss Vanilla. Then I have Strawberry Daiquiri. Then Sicilian Sweet Pea, followed by Tropical Thai Sunset. Waiting for summer to come so I can wear it a more number of times. Then it is Hawaiian Sea Breeze. Moving on is Jaipur Royal Pink. Then Dreaming of Paris, and my least favorite has to be Japanese Cherry Blossom. So I hope you have a clear idea now which one I like the most and which one I did not like the most. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video in particular, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos related to makeup and perfume. See you soon. Bye.